So basically, guys, what you do is you insert the key, turn the key, lift this portion up right here, and then that allows you to slide this tie down portion out of the way. Okay, so then you have this is the part that you're going to be installing on the truck, and then you'll slide this in after. In most cases you won't have a screw hole already, so that's why you're going to need the lubricant and the tie down. So you have the upside down T, right? And you basically want to align the holes. So I've got the screw on there, I've got my T30 Torx bit, and basically what I'm going to do first is you're going to put it on the indentation, and then you're going to screw it into the side of the truck. Okay? And then you're going to unscrew it. And you're basically going to do that. Then you want to, at that point, you want to take the tie down, and you want to go ahead and get it started in one of the corners. Since you already have those holes already made, basically what you want to do is you want to take your tie down, and you want to take this part right here with the ears, and you want to push it in and then push up on it. So after you push this up, then basically what you want to do is you want to push this bottom part in and turn the key. So basically bungee cord or something that you want to just kind of flip through there, you can flip that through there, hook it up to the other side, flip it through there.